For this Cluster 5 Assessment Task 11 lab logbook, a lot of this will be completed during your lab sessions downstairs. All you really need to do is make sure that you're up to date with all your essential skills and that you've been deemed satisfactory in these throughout your lab sessions. So this is this one here. Your trainer will be sorting this out for you in the background, and they'll be doing this in your lab logbook. So in the lab logbook, you can see here, we have the essential skills competency record for a simulated environment. When you demonstrate these skills satisfactorily and you've achieved these, your trainer will sign you off for these. When all of these essential skills have been signed off, then you will be completing that first part of this assessment task. So your trainer will sign you off and you'll acknowledge that. The second part of this assessment task is the Are You Ready for Placement 3 checklist. So this is also completed by your trainer. Essentially, these performance evidence skills are what you will be completing when you go on placement. So we just make sure that you complete them in a simulated environment before you actually go out on placement and are required to complete them. So you'll see that these are very much similar to what you'll find in your Placement 3 logbook. So once both of those two checklists are completed by your trainer and assessor and you've signed off, you've finished this part of the assessment task. And you can acknowledge that you've completed these two things by this will actually be open obviously when the date, the 25th of the 9th, has come about, and it will look a bit like this. Basically, a statement that you have actually completed both of those tasks and that the work is your own. You'll just need to click true. So that's how you complete that assessment task. Just make sure that your lab logbook's up to date and you've completed those two checklists, and you'll be right to go on placement.